Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about what happens when you're in an accident and you receive the ticket. And we're talking about this type of situations where you're completely at fault. You took off the road for like a second and you slam into the person behind you. The officer gives you the ticket, and the question becomes, what happens next? Is it because you're at fault that you just have to accept this moving violation on your record? Do you have any other options? As always, if you have any questions, you can always text me at 504 or you can sign up for a free strategy session at traffictickettalks.com. So let's say you got that accident, you're in an accident, uh, you're completely at fault. What can you do? Well, in a lot of courts, they will work with you to get that charge reduced to a non moving violation if you bring them a restitution letter from your insurance company. So, what is that exactly does that mean? What is a restitution letter? Well, what the courts are looking for is to see that your insurance company has taken responsibility for the accident and has agreed to pay the damages to the other party. And so, what you would like to do is before your court date, is reach out to your insurance company and ask for that letter. Because quite often, if you don't have it when you show up to court, they're going to give you a new court date to have you come back to bring it. So you're going to be a little bit ahead of the game if you already have that letter in hand. Depending on what court you're in, you still might have to plead not guilty and come back and bring that letter to second court date. But it's not uncommon for people to go and plead not guilty, show up for the second court date, and then all of a sudden they don't have that restitution letter, and then they have to come back again. So this is again just another way where you can be fully prepared when you show up for court. So what you want to do is reach out to your insurance company. You can call or email them and say, "I just need a update." You can even tell them you need a restitution letter. They usually know what that means, but if they don't, you can just say, "Hey, I just need proof that the other party has been paid or will be paid." So that's kind of it. Again, if you're in an accident, you're completely at fault, you know you're at fault, and you're trying to get that charge reduced to a non moving violation, your best bet is to get your restitution letter from your insurance company, bring it with you to court, and see if they'll be willing to reduce the charges. If you ever need help with anything, you have any questions about traffic tickets or suspended license, you can text or call me at 504-233-8529, or you can sign up for a free strategy session at traffictickettalks.com. All right, thanks.